Ndemo Steven.
Magega y'obochori b'umwaka iga gokorekana na boigo abagavana gochora kurachi county emerongo enenaisano na boigo gutianigwa eme county ya Nyamira nerto tigiri maiga ase umugavana bwi county yo Nyaribo nyateko bakagochora buno umugavana uyo gochigokora obokoreri ase emiaka 5 eribusio korende ase county yo nigo umwaki ekura oyomo ase rieta Dennis Omwenga asokiri bene na boigo kubeka ekina bosibwe kigambe eliogo tugutera ale obochori bw'umugavana bwe county yo Nyaribo korengana nere nigatebire bene buna nigo obochori obo bwakorekanite ase nchira etali endonge ase aganirie ekigambiro gweswana nigati nabo igo kugayana enganeyo omurikito Job Maangi norobotyuru
ase obochori obonene bw'omwaka oyo nigo abamenyi be county Nyamira besogetie ase obonge na gwakachikura ase Nyaribo abetega koraligwa na gotianigwa buna omugavana Nyamira
without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Korende lituko lya lero omwaki chikura oyomo ime county Nyamira Dennis Omwenga nabeka ekina koti gusaba obobwibo mugavana Nyaribo gotuguterwa are.
Watu wa Nyamira wanasema kuwa hawakupigia Nyaribo kura. The people were intimidated. Votes which were casted were not the one which were announced. So that's why we are here to question the choosing of Nyaribo as the governor of Nyamira.
Narwa ogosaba buna machibuye chikura kolingoligwa ase asaba obochori oboyagwakwa.
The form 37As which our agents got, the votes which were there does not tally with the form 37C which the returning officer used to announce the results. There are several discrepancies there.
Aba wakiri baikirana asense meyo mbasaba ekoti koligerelia amanganaya na kunacha ekina ase oboene
and be able to establish the allegations that we have established in the petition, and two, we have asked the court to nullify the declaration of Governor Nyaribo as the governor for Nyamira County. And lastly, we have asked the court to declare that there be results in Nyamira County in the next 60 days after they have declared the result as null and void. So those are among the prayers that we have asked in the petition, and we believe that our client has met all the requirements that could amount to a nullification of the election exercise. Yes.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Jo.